Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Heather of My Creative Corner. Today I am working on the last two prompts for Junk Journal January 2025. Day 30 is fabric and day 31 is letter, and I am incorporating the two in together and wrapping up Junk Journal January 2025. So I am going to the very back. I just have a few, that's all I have left. Anyways, I used up most of my pages, and like I said in the last video, I wanted to do some writing about my journey this month, so I'm going to leave those, and I'm going to the very back here, and I have a piece of burlap I already cut out, which I'm going to use for fabric. I'm going to write on it, which will be my letter, and I'm just going to attach it onto the back here. Let's see, I was going to put it over like that. Maybe I still will. That's alright. So, and I'm just going to write on it quite simply. I'm just going to say thank you for Junk Journal January 2025 and this experience, and put that into the back of my journal, and yeah, it's been a ride. So this is just a Sharpie creative marker, something new I discovered. They're water-based, so anyways, I'm really enjoying them. And I just put that, I guess it didn't, so I thought it might bleed through, but it didn't, so. And all I'm going to do is take my stapler, and I'm going to attach that in there. And then I can still flip that up and put stuff in there. And that'll be the end of my book, my journal. I have these little strips of ribbon I cut. I was going to put them on there. I'm kind of changing my mind about that, so. Well, there is Junk Journal January 2025. Let's see. Add a little color to that. I didn't think before I put it in there, but I just make little dots. So that is it for my Junk Journal January 2025 journal. That was day 30, fabric, and day 31, letter. And put that in the back of my journal to say how thankful I am for this journey and what it's taught me, and about my creativeness, and that I actually, you know, I'm quite proud that I kept up with it. And I want to thank you guys for following along. Hopefully you've gained a little bit by watching the videos. Yeah, so if you subscribe to my channel, I want to say thank you, and stay tuned for next month and what I have planned. Still working that out yet, but we will see. And I just want to say thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and let's keep crafting. Thanks for watching. Bye.